How to make, or how I made, a Christmas tree stand in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. After cutting down Charlie Brown's perfect Christmas tree, I cut a scrap piece of 1x4 inch pine into 2 15-inch pieces and 10 2-inch pieces. Next, stack 3 of the 2-inch pieces opposite each other, and then evenly stack the remaining 2-inch pieces perpendicularly to create an X when connected by the 15-inch pieces. Pleased with the rough structure, I used Starbond superglue to secure the individual stacks. They sent me a few of their glues to test out, and I found them to be a great addition to the shop. Next episode, I'll go into a more in-depth review of their many uses, but I'm super happy with the quick, strong bond of this medium thickness brown sample and its activator for securing these tiers of the tree stand feet together. If you have a project in need of some super glue and want to help support the channel at the same time, use the link in the description below to check out Starbond's super glue collection. With the feet stacks ready, I secured the 15-inch pieces to them with screws. Before anchoring the 2 pieces together, I found the center of each set so I could evenly align the recess for the tree and avoid any undue wobbliness once the tree was mounted. With the pieces aligned, I used a Forstner bit to cut the tree recess. Then I anchored them together with screws. And with that, we were ready for the tree. Once I had it aligned to my liking, I added 2 more 2-inch blocks to help hold it in place. Then placed a Tupperware bowl below the tree trunk and filled it with water to help keep the tree green, before adding a festive blanket as a tree skirt. And that's a wrap. From our home to yours, we hope you have a happy and safe holiday season. Until next time.